Fidelis Halo Online Training. Introduction to Fidelis Halo, Overview and Capabilities. Fidelis Halo is a comprehensive cybersecurity platform designed to provide advanced threat detection and response capabilities. It is part of the Fidelis cybersecurity suite and focuses on delivering integrated solutions to protect against a wide range of cyber threats. Here's an overview of its key capabilities. Overview. Fidelis Halo combines multiple security functionalities into a unified platform, enabling organizations to detect, investigate, and respond to cyber threats more effectively. It integrates network visibility, endpoint protection, and threat intelligence into a single solution, providing a holistic approach to cybersecurity. Key capabilities. Unified threat detection and response. Network visibility monitors network traffic in real time to detect suspicious activities and potential threats. Provides deep visibility into network flows and communications. Endpoint protection offers advanced protection for endpoints by identifying and responding to threats that bypass traditional defenses. Threat intelligence integration utilizes threat intelligence feeds to enhance detection capabilities and provide context to identified threats. Advanced threat detection. Behavioral analysis uses machine learning and behavioral analytics to identify abnormal activities and potential threats based on deviations from normal behavior. Network traffic analysis analyzes network traffic patterns to detect and prevent sophisticated attacks such as command and control communications and data exfiltration. Incident investigation and response. Automated threat investigation provides tools for automated threat analysis, reducing the time needed to investigate and respond to incidents. Forensic analysis enables detailed forensic analysis of security incidents to understand the scope and impact of attacks. Threat hunting. Proactive threat hunting offers capabilities for proactive threat hunting, allowing security teams to search for and identify potential threats before they cause damage. Custom queries allows users to create custom queries and searches to uncover hidden threats and vulnerabilities. Integration and automation. Security orchestration integrates with other security tools and platforms to streamline workflows and automate responses. API integration provides APIs for integrating with existing security infrastructure and enhancing overall security posture. Reporting and analytics. Comprehensive reporting delivers detailed reports and dashboards to provide insights into security events, incidents, and overall network health. Customizable dashboards offers customizable dashboards to display relevant metrics and data for different stakeholders. Fidelis Halo is designed to address the growing complexity of cybersecurity threats by providing a unified platform that enhances visibility, detection, and response capabilities. Integration and compatibility of Fidelis Halo with existing systems. Integrating Fidelis Halo into existing systems is a strategic approach to enhancing security posture, particularly in complex IT environments. Here's an overview of its integration and compatibility aspects. 1. API integration. RESTful APIs. Fidelis Halo offers RESTful APIs that enable seamless integration with various existing systems, including SIEMs, SOAR platforms, and other security tools. This allows for automated workflows, data sharing, and centralized management. Custom integrations. Organizations can develop custom connectors using the APIs to fit specific requirements or integrate with less common tools. TOOT compatibility with security tools. CM integration. Fidelis Halo can be integrated with CM platforms like Splunk, IBM QRadar, and ArcSight to enhance threat detection and response capabilities. It provides detailed alerts and logs that can be ingested by SIEMs for correlation and analysis. SOAR platforms. Integration with SOAR platforms like Palo Alto Cortex XSOAR allows for automated response and orchestration of security events, leveraging Fidelis Halo's detection capabilities. 3. Cloud and hybrid environment compatibility. Multi-cloud support. Fidelis Halo is compatible with major cloud providers like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. It can monitor and protect workloads across these environments, providing consistent security policies and visibility. Hybrid environments. For organizations operating in hybrid environments, Fidelis Halo offers visibility and control over both on-premises and cloud assets, ensuring seamless security management across the board. 4. Integration with network and endpoint security tools. Endpoint security. Fidelis Halo can be integrated with endpoint protection solutions, such as CrowdStrike or Carbon Black, to enhance endpoint detection and response (EDR) capabilities. Network security. Integration with network security tools, such as firewalls, intrusion detection systems, IDS, and intrusion prevention systems, IPS, helps in correlating network traffic data with Halo's threat intelligence. 5. Automation and orchestration. Playbooks and workflows. Fidelis Halo supports automation through playbooks that can trigger actions based on specific security events. This integrates well with tools like Ansible or Puppet for automated remediation. Integration with ITSM. Fidelis Halo can be integrated with IT Service Management, ITSM, tools like ServiceNow to automate incident response and change management processes. 6. Data integration and analytics. Data lakes and big data platforms. Fidelis Halo's data can be exported to data lakes or big data platforms like Hadoop or Splunk for deeper analysis, historical data correlation, and compliance reporting. Threat intelligence feeds. It can ingest threat intelligence feeds from various sources, enhancing its detection capabilities and providing more context to security events. 7. Compliance and reporting. Integration with GRC tools. Fidelis Halo can integrate with governance, risk, and compliance (GRC) tools to provide detailed compliance reports and help in maintaining regulatory standards across the IT environment. Audit and reporting. The platform's compatibility with reporting tools allows for customizable reports that meet the specific needs of various stakeholders. Advanced features of Fidelis Halo for enhanced security. Fidelis Halo, a cloud security platform, offers several advanced features to enhance security in cloud environments. Here are some of the key features. 1. Automated workload and container security. Workload protection. Fidelis Halo provides real-time visibility and automated security policies for workloads across multiple cloud environments. It secures workloads at runtime, ensuring that any changes or anomalies are immediately detected and addressed. Container security. The platform includes robust container security features that protect against vulnerabilities and compliance violations. This includes monitoring containers for misconfigurations and potential threats. 2. Network traffic analysis. Deep Packet Inspection. DPI Fidelis Halo uses DPI to analyze network traffic in real time, identifying malicious patterns and potential threats. This helps in detecting and mitigating advanced threats that bypass traditional security measures. Network anomaly detection. The platform continuously monitors network traffic to detect unusual patterns, signaling potential breaches or attacks. It can automatically respond to these anomalies, reducing the risk of data exfiltration. 3. Threat intelligence integration. Advanced threat intelligence. Fidelis Halo integrates with global threat intelligence feeds, providing up-to-date information on emerging threats. This allows for proactive defense measures, blocking threats before they can impact the environment. Custom threat detection rules. Users can create custom detection rules based on specific organizational needs, enhancing the platform's ability to detect and respond to unique threats. 4. Identity and Access Management (IAM). Role-based access control. RBAC Fidelis Halo offers granular access control, allowing administrators to define roles and permissions based on the principle of least privilege. This ensures that only authorized users have access to sensitive data and systems. Multi-factor authentication. MFA. The platform supports MFA, adding an additional layer of security by requiring multiple forms of verification before granting access. 5. Compliance and governance. Automated compliance auditing. Fidelis Halo automates compliance checks, ensuring that cloud environments meet regulatory requirements such as GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS. It generates detailed reports, making it easier to demonstrate compliance during audits. Policy enforcement. The platform enforces security policies consistently across all cloud environments, preventing configuration drift and ensuring continuous compliance. 6. Incident response automation. Automated threat response. Fidelis Halo can automatically respond to detected threats by isolating affected systems, terminating malicious processes, and blocking suspicious traffic. This reduces the time to respond and minimizes the impact of attacks. Forensic analysis. The platform provides detailed forensic capabilities, allowing security teams to investigate incidents, trace attack vectors, and understand the scope of breaches. 7. Endpoint detection and response (EDR). Behavioral analytics. Fidelis Halo uses behavioral analytics to monitor endpoint activities, detecting suspicious behaviors indicative of an attack. It can identify and block malware, ransomware, and other advanced threats at the endpoint level. Real-time visibility. The platform offers real-time visibility into all endpoints, ensuring that any unauthorized access or changes are quickly identified and addressed. Case studies. Successful implementations of Fidelis Halo. Fidelis Halo, a cloud security platform, has been successfully implemented by various organizations to enhance their security posture, particularly in hybrid and multi-cloud environments. Here are a few case studies highlighting these implementations. 1. Financial services firm. Challenge: a large financial services firm was facing difficulties in securing its multi-cloud environment. The firm needed to protect sensitive financial data and ensure compliance with stringent industry regulations. Solution: the company implemented Fidelis Halo to gain comprehensive visibility and control over its cloud workloads. Halo's automated threat detection and response capabilities enabled the firm to identify and mitigate potential threats quickly. Outcome: the firm achieved enhanced security across its cloud infrastructure, reduced the time to detect and respond to incidents, and maintained compliance with regulatory requirements. This allowed the company to protect its customers' financial information more effectively. 2. Healthcare provider. Challenge: a healthcare provider with a growing cloud footprint needed to secure patient data across multiple cloud platforms while ensuring compliance with healthcare regulations like HIPAA. Solution: Fidelis Halo was deployed to provide real-time visibility into the cloud environment, along with automated compliance monitoring. The platform's ability to detect misconfigurations and vulnerabilities in real time was crucial for the provider. Outcome: the healthcare provider was able to safeguard patient data, meet compliance requirements, and reduce the risk of data breaches. The implementation also led to more efficient cloud security operations, freeing up resources for other critical tasks. 3. Global retailer. Challenge: a global retailer operating in multiple regions required a solution to secure its cloud-based e-commerce platforms and protect customer data from cyber threats. Solution: Fidelis Halo was chosen for its robust threat detection and response capabilities, as well as its ability to integrate with existing security tools. The platform's ability to provide deep visibility into cloud workloads and detect advanced threats was a key factor. Outcome: the retailer successfully secured its e-commerce platforms, ensuring the protection of customer data. Fidelis Halo's automated threat response helped reduce the impact of security incidents, leading to improved customer trust and satisfaction. 4. Technology company. Challenge: a technology company with a hybrid cloud environment needed to manage the security of its cloud-native applications while maintaining agility and innovation. Solution: Fidelis Halo was implemented to provide continuous monitoring of cloud workloads, along with automated threat detection and response. The platform's ability to integrate with DevOps processes allowed the company to secure its applications without slowing down development. Outcome: the technology company enhanced the security of its cloud-native applications, reduced the risk of breaches, and maintained the agility needed to innovate quickly. Fidelis Halo's integration with DevOps tools also led to more efficient and secure application development. 5. Government agency. Challenge: a government agency responsible for managing sensitive data needed to secure its cloud infrastructure against sophisticated cyber threats while ensuring compliance with federal regulations. Solution: Fidelis Halo was deployed to provide comprehensive security across the agency's cloud environment. The platform's advanced threat detection and response capabilities, along with automated compliance checks, were critical for meeting the agency's security needs. Outcome: the agency improved its overall security posture, reducing the risk of data breaches and ensuring compliance with government regulations. Fidelis Halo's automation features also allowed the agency to manage security more efficiently, even with limited resources. Best practices for maximizing the effectiveness of Fidelis Halo. Maximizing the effectiveness of Fidelis Halo, formerly CloudPassage Halo, requires a strategic approach to security management in cloud environments. Here are some best practices to consider. 1. Comprehensive asset discovery. Automate asset discovery. Regularly scan your environment for all assets, including servers, containers, and applications. Use Fidelis Halo's automated discovery features to ensure nothing is missed. Tag and categorize assets. Organize assets by environment, role, or sensitivity level to apply appropriate security policies. To implement strong access controls. Least privilege principle. Apply the principle of least privilege for access control, ensuring users and processes have the minimal permissions necessary. Multi-factor authentication. MFA. Enable MFA for accessing Fidelis Halo and other critical systems to add an extra layer of security. 3. Continuous monitoring and threat detection. Enable continuous monitoring. Use Fidelis Halo's continuous monitoring capabilities to detect changes in your environment, such as unauthorized software installations or configuration changes. Set up real-time alerts. Configure real-time alerts for critical events, such as unauthorized access or policy violations, to respond quickly to potential threats. 4. Security policy management. Customizable policies. Leverage Fidelis Halo's policy templates, but customize them to fit your specific environment and compliance requirements. Regular policy reviews. Regularly review and update security policies to adapt to changes in your environment or new security threats. 5. Vulnerability management. Regular vulnerability scans. Schedule regular vulnerability scans using Fidelis Halo's integrated scanning tools to identify and prioritize vulnerabilities. Patch management. Implement a robust patch management process to address vulnerabilities identified by Fidelis Halo. 6. Configuration management. Harden configurations. Use Fidelis Halo's configuration management features to ensure that all systems are configured according to best security practices. Automate compliance checks. Set up automated compliance checks to ensure configurations remain secure over time. 7. Incident response. Develop an incident response plan. Create and maintain a detailed incident response plan that integrates Fidelis Halo's alerting and reporting features. Use forensic analysis tools. Utilize Fidelis Halo's forensic analysis capabilities to investigate and respond to security incidents effectively. 8. Integration with other security tools. CM integration. Integrate Fidelis Halo with your security information and event management (CM) system to centralize log management and correlation. Automation with SOAR. Consider integrating Fidelis Halo with a security orchestration, automation, and response (SOAR) platform to automate responses to detected threats. 9. Regular training and awareness. User training. Regularly train your security team on Fidelis Halo's features and best practices to ensure they can effectively use the platform. Awareness programs. Educate all users on security best practices and the importance of following security policies enforced by Fidelis Halo. Fidelis Halo's role in incident response and management. Fidelis Halo plays a significant role in incident response and management by providing advanced cybersecurity capabilities that help organizations detect, investigate, and respond to threats in real time. Here's how it contributes to these processes. 1. Comprehensive threat detection. Automated threat detection. Fidelis Halo uses machine learning and behavioral analytics to identify threats across multiple environments, including on-premises, cloud, and hybrid networks. Deception technology. It deploys deceptive assets within the network to lure attackers, enabling early detection of malicious activities before they cause harm. Visibility across all network layers. By monitoring network traffic, endpoint activities, and cloud environments, Fidelis Halo offers comprehensive visibility, making it easier to detect anomalies. 2. Incident investigation. Detailed forensics. The platform collects and stores metadata from network traffic, endpoints, and cloud environments, allowing security teams to conduct detailed forensic analysis of security incidents. Threat intelligence integration. Fidelis Halo integrates with threat intelligence feeds to correlate detected threats with known attack patterns, helping analysts understand the nature of the threat quickly. Automated incident correlation. It automatically correlates events from different parts of the network, providing a unified view of incidents and reducing the time required to identify the root cause. 3. Response automation and orchestration. Automated playbooks. Fidelis Halo provides automated playbooks for common incident types, enabling quick and consistent responses. This helps reduce response time and minimizes human error. Response orchestration. The platform can integrate with other security tools to orchestrate a coordinated response across different systems, such as isolating infected endpoints, blocking malicious IPs, or disabling compromised accounts. Real-time alerts and notifications. Fidelis Halo delivers real-time alerts to security teams, ensuring that incidents are addressed as soon as they are detected. 4. Post-incident analysis and reporting. Comprehensive reporting. The platform generates detailed incident reports that include timelines, affected systems, actions taken, and outcomes. These reports are useful for compliance and improving future incident response strategies. Root cause analysis. Fidelis Halo assists in identifying the root cause of an incident, allowing organizations to address vulnerabilities and improve their security posture. 5. Continuous improvement. Feedback loop. By analyzing past incidents and responses, Fidelis Halo helps organizations refine their security policies, improve detection capabilities, and enhance response strategies over time. Threat hunting. The platform supports proactive threat hunting, allowing security teams to search for indicators of compromise, IOCs, or other signs of potential threats that might have been missed by automated systems. Performance metrics and analytics in Fidelis Halo. Fidelis Halo, formerly known as Cloud Passage Halo, is a cloud security platform designed to provide comprehensive visibility, protection, and compliance for cloud infrastructure. When it comes to performance metrics and analytics in Fidelis Halo, there are several key areas to focus on. 1. Security analytics. Real-time monitoring. Fidelis Halo provides real-time security monitoring of cloud infrastructure, which includes analyzing network traffic, system logs, and user activity. It offers analytics dashboards to view metrics such as the number of threats detected, blocked attacks, and the status of security controls. Threat detection and response. The platform uses advanced analytics to detect anomalies and potential threats, providing insights into attack vectors and the effectiveness of security measures. Event correlation. Fidelis Halo correlates events across multiple data sources, allowing for a more comprehensive view of potential security incidents. This includes tracking the origin of an attack and the affected resources. 2. Performance metrics. Infrastructure health. The platform monitors the health and performance of cloud infrastructure components, including servers, containers, and applications. Metrics such as CPU usage, memory consumption, and network latency are tracked to ensure optimal performance. Security control efficacy. Metrics related to the performance of security controls, such as firewall rules, intrusion detection prevention systems, IDS IPS, and vulnerability scans, are analyzed to ensure they are functioning as expected. Compliance metrics. Fidelis Halo provides metrics related to compliance with various standards, example PCI DSS, HIPAA. These include the number of compliant non-compliant assets, the status of remediation efforts, and trends over time. 3. Reporting and dashboards. Custom dashboards. Users can create custom dashboards to monitor specific performance metrics and analytics relevant to their environment. These dashboards provide a visual representation of key performance indicators, KPIs, and security metrics. Automated reports. Fidelis Halo offers automated reporting capabilities that allow users to generate reports on security posture, compliance status, and performance metrics. These reports can be scheduled and customized to meet specific needs. 4. Integration with other tools. CM integration. Fidelis Halo can integrate with security information and event management (CM) systems, allowing organizations to incorporate Halo's security analytics into their broader security operations and monitoring framework. API access. Fidelis Halo provides APIs that allow for the extraction of performance metrics and analytics data for use in other analytics tools or custom applications. 5. Alerting and notifications. Threshold-based alerts. Users can set thresholds for various performance metrics, and the platform will generate alerts if these thresholds are breached. This allows for proactive management of potential issues before they escalate. Real-time notifications. Fidelis Halo offers real-time notifications for critical security events or performance degradation, enabling rapid response and remediation. Addressing common challenges with Fidelis Halo. Fidelis Halo, a comprehensive cybersecurity platform, is designed to protect cloud environments, data centers, and endpoints. However, like any sophisticated security solution, organizations may encounter several common challenges when implementing and managing Fidelis Halo. Here's a breakdown of these challenges and how they can be addressed. 1. Integration with existing security infrastructure. Challenge: integrating Fidelis Halo with existing security tools and platforms can be complex, leading to compatibility issues or gaps in security coverage. Solution: ensure thorough planning and mapping of existing infrastructure before integration. Leverage Fidelis Halo's APIs and integration tools to create seamless connections with other security solutions. Working closely with Fidelis support can also help to identify best practices and avoid common pitfalls. 2. Managing complexity in multi-cloud environments. Challenge: as organizations deploy applications across multiple cloud environments, maintaining consistent security policies and visibility can be challenging. Solution: use Fidelis Halo's centralized management console to enforce security policies consistently across all cloud environments. Regularly audit and review security configurations to ensure alignment with organizational security standards. Consider utilizing automation features to reduce manual intervention. 3. Performance impact on systems. Challenge: deploying comprehensive security solutions like Fidelis Halo may result in a performance overhead on systems, potentially affecting user experience or critical operations. Solution: optimize the deployment by conducting performance assessments and adjusting configurations to balance security and performance. Use Fidelis Halo's monitoring and tuning tools to identify and mitigate any performance bottlenecks. 4. Alert fatigue and incident response. Challenge: the high volume of alerts generated by security platforms like Fidelis Halo can overwhelm security teams, leading to alert fatigue and potential oversight of critical incidents. Solution: implement intelligent filtering and prioritization rules to focus on high-risk alerts. Use automation and machine learning features in Fidelis Halo to correlate alerts and reduce noise. Regularly review and fine-tune alert thresholds to improve the quality and relevance of notifications. 5. Compliance and reporting. Challenge: ensuring compliance with industry regulations and generating accurate reports can be difficult, especially in complex environments. Solution: leverage Fidelis Halo's built-in compliance templates and reporting tools to streamline the process. Customize reports to meet specific regulatory requirements and conduct regular compliance audits to ensure adherence. 6. Scalability concerns. Challenge: as organizations grow, scaling security measures proportionally can be challenging, particularly in large or distributed environments. Solution: plan for scalability from the outset by adopting a modular deployment strategy. Use cloud-native capabilities within Fidelis Halo to scale security resources dynamically in response to changing workloads. Regularly assess and optimize resource allocation to maintain efficiency. 7. User training and awareness. Challenge: the effectiveness of Fidelis Halo can be undermined if users are not adequately trained to use the platform or adhere to security protocols. Solution: invest in comprehensive training programs for both security teams and general users. Develop ongoing awareness initiatives to keep all stakeholders informed about security best practices and how to leverage Fidelis Halo's features effectively. 8. Cost management. Challenge. The cost of deploying and maintaining a robust security platform like Fidelis Halo can be significant, particularly for smaller organizations. Solution. Perform a cost-benefit analysis to identify areas where security investments will have the most impact. Consider phased implementation to spread costs over time. Explore Fidelis Halo's licensing and subscription options to find the most cost-effective plan for your needs. Why choose ProExcellency for Fidelis Halo online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Fidelis Halo online training can be beneficial for several reasons. Expert trainers. ProExcellency likely offers experienced instructors who have in-depth knowledge of Fidelis Halo, ensuring high-quality training. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training program may cover all essential aspects of Fidelis Halo, including security, threat detection, and response, giving you a well-rounded understanding of the platform. Flexible learning. Online training from ProExcellency allows you to learn at your own pace, making it convenient for working professionals or those with busy schedules. Hands-on experience. They might provide practical exercises or labs to ensure that you gain real-world experience in using Fidelis Halo, which is crucial for mastering the tool. Support and resources. ProExcellency could offer ongoing support and additional resources like study materials, recorded sessions, and forums, which can enhance your learning experience. Certification assistance. If you're looking to get certified, ProExcellency might help you prepare for the certification exams, offering guidance and practice tests to boost your confidence. Thank you.